Once upon a time, there was an IT company that decided to find the true supportive nature of holidays. There were KPIs, deadlines, and even broken supply chains in its way. But the company did not falter in its search, and now helping is in its nature. With the holidays approaching, hear thy call of the supporter's nature. Inspire trust as big as an elephant. Have the lion's courage to concentrate on a humanistic approach. Spread your wings with commitment like an eagle. Distinguish yourself with the quality of your unwavering actions like a bear. And take full responsibility for thoughtful decisions just like an owl would. Find your supportive inner animal and help him. Visit Hicron.com/supportxmas and choose your animal of power. And as a gift, we will be glad to support it on your behalf.
Click and feel how cool it is. Hicron wishes you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.